Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm Wasif Shaukar. Welcome to my channel WS Tech. Today's video topic is how to make a bootable USB for all the Windows for Windows 7, 8.1, 10 and 11 all in one USB. For that you need three things. One, USB with 16 GB storage. Second, Windows ISO image which you can download from the link in the description. Third, you need a Rufus software to make the bootable USB. Link is in the description. After downloading, run the Rufus software. Click on Devices to select your device. Then in boot section press select button and then select the ISO image you have downloaded. Then partition scheme, select your preferred partition scheme, GPT or MBR. That's it. Press start to make your USB bootable. It will prompt a message that if you want to format the USB, press on yes. Now it will start to make your USB bootable and copy the files in USB. After it completes, start button will turn into ready. Now you can use this USB to install Windows 7, 8.1, 10 or 11, whichever you like. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications.